Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to be showing you how you can install Jupyter Notebook on your Windows 11. First, we need to download Python. So go to your browser and type in download Python. And then click on the first link that comes. So as you can see here, we can download Python for different operating systems for Windows, Linux, Mac OS. But since we're going to be installing Jupyter Notebook for Windows 11, we need to download it for Windows. So click on it, and after your download is finished, you have to install Python. Alright, install Python. Alright, so you can see here you have to check the boxes, use admin privilege, and add python.exe to path. Since we need to access Python from the command line, don't forget to check the boxes. Wait a little bit, it's gonna take just some minutes, just so wait for it, and you'll be good to go. Um, our setup is successful, so Python is successfully installed. Close. And then now we need to install Jupyter Notebook from the command line. So that for that you go to here and then type in PowerShell. Open up PowerShell. Now you can check if Python is installed. As you can see, Python is installed and we are redirected to the Jupyter. Alright, so you can check the Python in other ways by Python minus version. You can see the version of the Python installed on your computer. So now we need to type in the command pip install Jupyter so that we can install Jupyter Notebook on our Windows 11. Pip is just a package manager in Python. So you have to have Python installed to use pip in the first place. It's gonna take a while and it will finish my battery. Come on. So as you can see, our Jupyter Notebook is installed, and now you can access Jupyter Notebook. Type in Jupyter Notebook, and then you are good to go. It will open a new tab in your browser. So as you can see here, there are folders and files in your computer. So it's gonna take you to that. So you can go to File, and then New, and then Notebook. Alright, so just select Python 3 kernel. Now you can use Jupyter Notebook as you want. You can just like try whatever you want, a Python code. Let's say the classic hello world. Python print hello world. As you can see, hello world is printed to the screen. So you can do pretty much anything, the mathematical operations, addition, subtraction, whatever you want. Whatever you can do in Python, you can do it in Jupyter Notebook. Alright, so this is how you can install and use Jupyter Notebook in your Windows 11. So if you are interested in Python, I will be making a series of Python videos for beginners. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.